Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Understanding before investing. Stock options are not gambling tools. They are financial instruments, and how you use them matters. So far, we have explained what options are, how they are priced, the risks involved, basic strategies, and why options go wrong. In this episode, we focus on mindset, how beginners should think about using options responsibly. Responsible options use starts with one idea. Risk comes before profit. Options are tools. They are not bets. They should solve a specific problem. One of the most important concepts is position sizing. Beginners should use small position sizes. Losses should never threaten your overall finances. Small losses are survivable. Large losses can end learning completely. Responsible trading means realistic expectations. Options are not a shortcut to fast wealth. Fewer, well-thought-out trades are usually better than constant activity. Another key idea is time horizon. Responsible options use fits into a broader plan, not short-term excitement. Every options trade should have an exit plan before the trade is placed. Losses are part of options trading. Accepting them early is a sign of discipline. Fear and greed cause most mistakes. Discipline prevents them. Responsible traders keep learning. They never assume they know enough. Responsible options use means managing risk, controlling position size, planning exits, and staying disciplined. Options should support your financial goals, not replace them. If you do not understand a trade, do not take it. In the next episode, we will look at how professionals think about options. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more simple finance explanations.